Hello everyone, my name is Carlo and I work for Ajax. We are official distributor of Ajax product for Canada. As you can see, we have a lot of inventory for you, ready to ship out. Now, my next goal today is to explain to you how to make a project for leak protect. Now, this is a water solution, which is important these days because of all the flood protect. So what we want to do is I want to explain and show you and demonstrate one system and the parts that's required for this. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the parts that you need, and then we can actually go ahead and demonstrate the system for you. So we'll just make it to my office here. Give me a few seconds. All right. First part you will need is the Ajax Hub. This is already all installed, pre-configured, programmed. This one has a SIM card inside, and it's already all programmed and hooked up on my cell phone. And I have here a siren, which as a courtesy, just to know if there's a water problem, I'll know about it, right? So it's going to ring and it's going to alert other people. Now, since we're in a business environment, I decided to install a keypad. This is not required, but if someone needs to turn the water back on, you'll see why in a few minutes, why it would be important for someone to have access to a keypad. All right, the next part is to show you the devices. So I have right here, as you can see, I have water leak detector on the floor. This is a LAN room, specifically made for detecting water. I'll show this unit in more precision in a few seconds. What I needed here was a power supply. This is DX600 ULPD power supply, and this is DC power only. So what I've done is you've got your Ajax relay here, which is connected to the system wirelessly and will actually trigger an output. Now, in a few seconds, I'll show you my valve, which is a generic water shutoff valve, and I needed a dual pole relay for this because I need a separate 12 volts to power it on and a separate 12 volts to shut the valve off. And we will demonstrate this shortly. The next step will be, I'll invite you to the kitchen. This is where the rest of the system will take place. So I'm going to show you where my physical valve is installed in the entry of the the main water of the building. So right here you can see it's a generic water shutoff valve, and it's hooked up to the system power supply we just saw a few seconds ago. And right now it's open, it's up and running. And as you can see, I also added another water bug here. You can add up to 200 of these devices throughout your location if you like. Server room, washrooms, hot water tanks, and so forth. So what I'm gonna do here, very simple test. I'm just gonna open up the water. I'm gonna need some water to test the water sensor. And I'm going to leave it running so you can see when the water shuts off that it'll be immediate. So I'm going to just put my glass of water here, and I'm going to grab my water sensor. And I'm going to prepare my phone just so that the app is ready. And as you can see, the valve is closed, and I've got my Ajax water sensor here. And throughout the sensor, there are little prongs, and these basically, when contacts go through them, they will actually trigger my sensor. So I'm going to dip this in water very lightly just to make it contact. What this does is it goes, the water valve just shut off, triggered an alarm on the system. We didn't hear the siren all the way there because I set it to low. And now just the releasing pressure of the water is being set up. So right now what I need to do is I'm going to show you the app. I'm already in the app. It's very simple. You can just disarm the system, and what this does is it re-engages the water valve through a function in this Ajax system. This way, obviously, you need to verify if this goes off. Usually you would verify the leak. Once no leaks are proven and water is contained and so forth, then you can actually disarm the system and then re-engage the water. So this was a demonstration of some systems that solutions we help you to put together. We have wiring diagrams for the hookup of this. The next step would be to like this video, just to make sure that we keep creating these content for you. And another thing would be if you're interested in these products, solutions, other solutions, post them down in the comment sections. We'll try to help you and see what we can come up for you. This is also for integrators, installers. You can go to inaxis.com. The website is down below. And thank you for listening.